Hi everybody, my name is Victoria and I'm going to show you a congratulation card. Um, this application is based on a quite simple model where I just follow the basic concepts that we all probably already learned in the 4 first lessons. The design is composed of a picture, which is in the image views located, and also two text views. If you're reading this activity main XML that I'm showing you, you can see that I'm using the relative layout. There are multiple types of view groups in Android, but this one allows me to position elements inside the view based on their siblings elements. Like a text view position based on another sibling text view, but it is also useful if you want to position elements based on their parent. And using this relative layout view group allows me to use properties like match parent, which in this case for the image view I'm using it in order to fit to have the image view fit the parent size. For the image view you require an individually identifier, that's the ID. You can set it by using the attribute ID and using an individual name for it. To tell the application how to find your image, you can use the source attribute, which is abbreviated by SRC. Here I have the name of the file, and this is the name of the folder. I can show you how my folders are organized. So I have an Android Studio Projects folder where I just save all the projects that I've been working on. In this case, card is the name of the folder for this project that I'm showing you. And there I have app folder, and then source folder, later main folder, then resource folder, and here I can create my drawable folder where I can just locate my image file. For the text views, I'm using the attribute text to write the text inside of each one of them. I'm using the property wrap content as a layout width and layout height. And this property is useful because this means that the size of the text view is going to be adjusted based on the amount of text inside of it. So if I add, for example, more text in this case, the text view size is going to be adjusted. Otherwise, the text will no longer be shown. So we can just leave it like it was. I also use the attribute text color where I define that the text should be in white. In this case, I can use this property Android color because Android had already defined base colors. So the white one is just 6Fs, that's hexadecimal definition for the white color. And you can use any other of the ones that are already defined here. So I can change the color using the name of another one. Only as long as it is defined. If it is not defined, then it's gonna show a very weird text view right here. But for the purpose of simplicity, I'm just gonna use white. You can also define the size of the text that you want to show using the text size attribute. In this case, I'm using 50 dp. As a font family, I'm using only cursive. Here you can define the font family that you want to use for your font. And As an extra style, I'm using the text style attribute, where here I have defined bold and italic, but actually italic doesn't make any much difference because the text is already cursive. So if I remove italic, I'm just gonna have a cursive text a little bit thick. However, if I remove or I comment this line, then you're gonna see a difference in this text view. It's not as thick as the other one. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just write it down and have a nice day.